So this is some sort of instruction how you use this. Animation, we start by choosing the type of reaction here as 1. We do a strong acid and a strong base. So we'll click that one. And then let's put the base in the burette. And then we go to 3 here where we choose the acid. Let's choose hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide. So you see the burette fills up with the sodium hydroxide. Then we select the indicator and we'll use phenolphthalein. That is, it's pink in acidic solution and colorless in acidic solution. So pink in alkaline solution and colorless in acidic solution. So now we are ready to do the titration, and here this slider will choose the volume, and we'll be careful here and put in 1 milliliter to start with for each increment. And what we're looking for is the pink color here in the conical flask. When we see that when it starts to get pink, we need to be more careful, but we'll continue to do 1 milliliter for each increment here. Nothing happens. Oh, there we went 2. No indication of purple or pink color. Well, nothing happens because you don't know when you will have the equivalence point, as it's called, when you're neutralizing the acid. 15. There you saw. Now it's turned pink there. Now we need to be more careful. So I'll put just half a milliliter. And using this one, we can do it drop-wise. So let's do that until we have a pink color that remains. And here we're in control of the total volume that we've added. We want to stop at the equivalence point. Still we need to, you see, after a while it turns colorless again, so we'll need to keep on adding here. But it's better to be careful and have patience, because if we overshoot, we have to redo the whole thing. Just waiting. But eventually we will be there. And there we have this color that indicates that we're at the equivalence point. So now we make a note of the total volume being 17.32 milliliters. And in order to check this, we can hit this button, concordance values, then we'll redo the exact same titration and restore everything with the same solutions. But now we know that at 17.32 milliliters, we will have our equivalence point approximately. So what we can do now is we can put in 17 milliliters straight away there, and then we could go drop by drop, and we know that at approximately 17.32 we will have our change. What you do, you try to have 3 concordance values to have safely be able to determine the concentration of the unknown concentration of the base here in this case. And there we have that drop, and we have the exact same value, 17.32. So when you have this, you do the calculations. You have instructions in the textbook with worked examples, and you put in the number there. And then you check if it's correct. And if you reset here, you can redo another titration, changing things here. And this is how we do this. Okay, try it.